library offers you access to over 200 databases, study tools, and curated document lists. To access the databases, you will need to log in. When you first select a database you want to search, the database will prompt you for your student email. Then it will route you to our lovely single sign-on, where you will provide your username and password. This is the same username and password you use for MyWCJC and D2L Brightspace. If you have any issues logging in with the single sign-on, you will contact the IT help desk. If you have issues with the database itself, you will contact us, the library staff. If you are not sure where the issue is occurring, you can contact either the IT help desk or the library, and we will help navigate you to the right person and solution. There are two ways to access the databases, the A to Z list and the database menu. To navigate to the A to Z list, go to the library homepage and scroll down to the blue banner labeled Beyond Books, and click on the bottom left link A to Z list. Another way to access the A to Z list is to navigate to the Find a Resource webpage from the library homepage. Then you go to the first banner labeled as Find a Resource and choose the second option, Use a Research Guide. The link to the A to Z list is on the right on this Research Guides list. The A to Z list is particularly useful if you already know the database name. As you progress in your education and professional career, you might recognize certain databases that are more useful to you in your career field. So when you conduct your research, you can narrow down your search by selecting a specific database. You can also use the A to Z list filters to find databases in specific subject areas like education or allied health, or narrow it down by database type, like if you're looking for biographies, ebooks, or statistical data. You can also access the databases by going to the database menu. To access the database menu, click Find a Resource on the library homepage. Then go to the first banner labeled as Find a Resource and click on the first option, Database Menu. The database has a homepage and tabs organized based on subject areas. On the homepage, you have helpful categories such as reference databases, which are useful resources when you start your research and need to get to know your topic, multidisciplinary databases that pull from many different subject areas, ebooks, and streaming videos.